Greek yogurt is characterized by its high protein content compared to regular yogurt. A single serving of Greek yogurt typically provides between 10 to 20 grams of protein. This protein content is approximately double that found in standard yogurt varieties. The elevated protein levels in Greek yogurt contribute significantly to various bodily functions. These functions include muscle repair, satiety, and overall metabolic health. Greek yogurt is a beneficial food for individuals focused on muscle development. Its high protein content is crucial for muscle tissue construction. Protein from Greek yogurt assists in repairing muscle damage after exercise. Consuming Greek yogurt supports muscle recovery and growth. This makes it a valuable dietary component for physically active individuals. Protein consumption, particularly from sources like Greek yogurt, can significantly boost metabolism. A boosted metabolism aids in more efficient energy utilization within the body. This efficient energy use contributes to increased calorie burning. Therefore, Greek yogurt supports weight management through enhanced metabolic function. Greek yogurt is known for its ability to promote a feeling of fullness. This feeling of fullness can help individuals reduce their overall calorie intake. Reduced calorie intake is a key factor in effective weight management. The high protein content in Greek yogurt contributes significantly to satiety. Consuming Greek yogurt can aid in controlling appetite and preventing overeating. Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which are live microorganisms beneficial to the host. Regular consumption of Greek yogurt may contribute to a healthier gut environment. This breakdown enhances the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients. Regular consumption of Greek yogurt can therefore improve overall digestive health. Regular consumption of Greek yogurt can help reduce bloating. Bloating is often associated with digestive discomfort. This balance contributes to decreased bloating and overall digestive health. Greek yogurt is a source of probiotics that can aid in fostering a healthy gut environment. A healthy gut microbiome enhances the body's natural defenses. Adequate intake of certain minerals is essential for maintaining bone density. Phosphorus also plays a vital role in bone mineralization and strength. Greek yogurt is a dietary source of both calcium and phosphorus. Consuming Greek yogurt can contribute to maintaining healthy bone density. Adequate intake of calcium is crucial for maintaining bone density and strength. Phosphorus also plays a vital role in bone health and mineralization. Consuming Greek yogurt can help in the prevention of osteoporosis due to its calcium and phosphorus content. Consuming low-fat or non-fat Greek yogurt can positively influence cholesterol levels. Lowering cholesterol is a key factor in promoting better cardiovascular health. Greek yogurt offers a dietary option that supports heart wellness. Incorporating Greek yogurt into a balanced diet may contribute to overall heart health. Greek yogurt contains potassium, an essential mineral for various bodily functions. Potassium plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Adequate potassium intake helps regulate blood pressure, preventing hypertension. Consuming Greek yogurt can contribute to a diet that supports cardiovascular health. Greek yogurt combines high protein and low sugar content. This combination promotes a feeling of fullness and satiety. Increased satiety helps in controlling cravings for unhealthy foods. The low sugar content aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar reduces energy crashes and further cravings. Greek yogurt contains essential nutrients that support optimal brain function. Vitamin B12 is a key component found in Greek yogurt. Vitamin B12 is crucial for energy metabolism within the brain. Iodine, another nutrient in Greek yogurt, supports focus and concentration. Iodine also plays a vital role in hormone balance, which affects brain health. Consuming Greek yogurt can contribute to overall cognitive well-being. Greek yogurt is a versatile food item with multiple culinary applications. It can serve as a base for a nutritious breakfast. Greek yogurt can be incorporated into smoothies to enhance their nutritional profile. It can be used as a healthy alternative to sour cream, reducing fat content. Greek yogurt can also substitute mayonnaise in various recipes, promoting healthier eating. Selecting plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt is a healthy eating strategy. Unsweetened yogurt helps to minimize the intake of added sugars. Added sugars can contribute to various health issues if consumed in excess. Natural sweeteners, such as fruits, nuts, or honey, can be added for flavor. This allows for a customized sweetness level while maintaining a healthier profile.